Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Wealthsimple account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in wealthsimple.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Wealthsimple. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to find two options over here, personal and business. Simply click on the option of your choice. So if you already have the account, you can click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen and log in to your account. But if you want to create the account, simply click on this option, get started. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface of Wealthsimple. From here you'll be able to sign up for your account. All you have to do is enter your email, create a password for yourself and enter the preferred name. Entering the preferred name is optional, so you can skip it. Now click on the field of email and enter the email over here. Once you do that, click on the field of password and create a password for yourself. The password must contain at least 8 characters. Now once you create the password, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your phone number. Simply click on the field of phone number. Now what you have to do is enter the phone number over here. Make sure to enter the valid phone number. Once you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the code will be sent to your phone number. What you have to do is simply enter that code over here. Once you enter the code, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you'll have to complete your profile, provide your personal information including your name, date of birth, address and social insurance number. After that, you'll have to choose your risk profile. Wealthsimple will help you determine a suitable risk level based on your investment goal and time horizon. So simply choose your risk profile. After that, you'll also have to fund your account. You'll need to link your bank account to transfer the funds into your Wealthsimple account. Now after that, you'll be able to start investing. So like this, your account will be created. So that is how you create Wealthsimple account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.